Hey, welcome to Mr. Wallen's Neighborhood. We are doing location 2 of Cocktails by Nature. We are up here in Arizona at the Mogollon Rim. It's beautiful, it's delightful. Let's have a cocktail. So the first thing I'm gonna be using here is High West whiskey. This is from Utah, my hometown. Anytime I get into snow, it always reminds me of home, so I thought I'd pay homage to that, and we're using this double rye whiskey. This double rye whiskey is 2 ryes, 1 young, 1 old from the East Coast, 2 different distilleries, 2 ounces. St. George spiced pear liqueur. So this is a beautiful pear liqueur, has some cinnamon, nutmeg, you know, baking spices. So we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce here. Then I'm gonna use Lustau sherry. This is an Amontillado sherry. Amontillado sherries in particular have sort of a butterscotchy flavor profile to them. So we're gonna do 1 ounce. We're gonna do this Bittermens Hiver Amer. Basically what this is the citrus cinnamon Amer. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of this. To round it all off, what I'm gonna use is this Bittercube black strap bitters. And we're gonna do 10 drops or 1 sleeve. Now we got our cocktail. Typically, you know how I do, I probably would ice the glass regularly. Lucky for me, it's cold as hell out here. So I've already got an ice chilled glass, and I'm gonna add some ice to this glass. Give it a stir. The reason why I'm stirring instead of shaking is because this is all booze. I'm not using any citrus or any dairy, anything I need to really mix vigorously. I'm just trying to get dilution. Seeing as it's pretty cold outside, I might have to stir a little longer. The other good thing is I'm gonna let this sit in the ice and dilute a bit because I'm gonna make my garnish here. Got a really nice pear. Slice that bad boy up, got me a nice pear slice. Then what I'm gonna do is stir a bit more. We're gonna strain into this cocktail glass. And then we're gonna garnish. Of course, we're out here in the snow. Voila. Let's take a sip of this bad boy. Cheers.